Hey guys, it's Miss AFOL TV back with another video. If you missed my last one, I taught you how to build this tree right here. It's also right there. So you can go back and watch that if you want to. But today, I know you guys are gonna be getting a lot of sets for the holidays. I better be too. So today we're gonna be showing you how we sort, and we're gonna be showing you the different tools that we use to do that. There's usually 3 different categories that we usually sort. The first one are sets, and we part these out to save money on bricks. The second one, and the most common for us, are brick link orders, and they don't always come sorted, but lucky for us, this one did. Crusty bricks. Where's the pink? The third, and probably the most common for the people watching, and personally my favorite, are the pick-a-brick cups, as you see here. I love these. And now it's time to talk about my favorite part, the tools that we use. So if there's one thing I recommend for sorting, it is this tray. This tray is a lifesaver. It does have this little lip, so it's really easy to pour the bricks in and out. And we have these linked on Amazon in the link below, but I love this thing. I could not live without it. So I'll show you an example, the pick-a-brick cup that I just showed you that needs to be sorted. I will pour a little bit in, and I'm just gonna show you how, see, it's really convenient to have the lip. So for example, I'm gonna show you the cup that I just showed you. I'm gonna show you that I show you the cup that I just showed you. For example, the cup that I just showed you, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to pour it back into the cup. Usually we would sort from here, but just to show you, just like that, super easy. So when it's time to sort, there's 2 trays that we tend to use. This one's really convenient because it's got rounded edges, so it's really easy to pick pieces out of it. And then the other one is a little bit more rigid, but we use this for a specific reason that I will get into. Now it's time to show you how we actually sort. So back to my favorite yellow tray. This is where we just pour a few of the Legos onto, and you can sort by color. Now that we have it sorted by color, I'm gonna show you how we use this rigid tray that I told you about earlier. And we use them with these clear cocktail cups, and you'll see that these actually fit perfectly in this tray. So here's an example of fully sorted Legos into the cocktail cups by color. And if you may have noticed, this is not the rigid black tray, but if you guys want to save some money, a cool hint is that you can actually use the Lego boxes and just reuse them. So we tend to do that, or we use the tray. And these are really good for separating your colors because it's super convenient to just pull the cup out, and then by then you can sort by piece. So now is when we start sorting by piece. So you're gonna dump your cup into your yellow tray, and from there, just sort it by piece, and then it's super easy to just put it into this curved tray, which is really easy to grab out of. And another option is to sort these directly into the plastic cups. It makes it a lot easier to just put them away afterwards. So now, here we are at our part wall, and it's time to start putting these away. And so once again, it's a lot easier to grab the pieces with this kind of tray because you just reach on in and you can pick them right out. So let's start putting these away. Also, if you're sorting a really big set and you have a whole container worth of a certain color, it's also handy just to use the pick-a-brick cups. You should have a lot laying around, I know we do. So you can also use these instead of the little cocktail cups. I hope that this video helps you guys make your sorting more efficient. It can be fun, and we try and make it fun here. And look how nice. Just one more thing, we do have a city update video coming soon, and it is gonna be exciting because it is the end of the year recap. So stay tuned and watch my tree video. All right guys, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Leave me some comments below on what you think I should do a video on. This is the #1 Lego biter right here. If you need any Legos that just disappear, get a cat. They will eat them, they'll bite them. This one likes to, don't eat the tree. This one likes to hide them under the rug. So, she's very helpful. Do you like to sort too? Yes, you do. She's so cute.